Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will draw this figure in AutoCAD. Let's start. First, I will draw this rectangle. The length of the rectangle is given, which is 10 mm, and the width is also given, which is 4.5. Let's draw it. Click on rectangle. Click, enter 10 mm, press comma, enter 4.5, press enter. Now I will make this arc. So the arc radius is given, which is 20 mm. Let's draw it. Click on arc arrow. Then click on start in radius, because I will make this type of arc. Click on this point. This is the start point and this is the end point. Enter radius 20 mm. So first I will explode the rectangle, then I will erase this line. Select the rectangle, enter X from the keyboard to explode it. Now select this line and erase it. Now I will make this fillet and this fillet. The fillet radius is given over here, which is 1 mm. Enter A from the keyboard for fillet. Now click on radius, enter 1 mm fillet radius, click on arc, click on line, press space to repeat the command, click on arc, click on line. Now I will make this portion A. The detail of portion A is given over here. First I will zoom it to see clearly. In portion A, this line is the line of rectangle. This line. First I will erase the ink to see clearly. So this is the line of rectangle that we already draw. This line. And this length is also given, which is 0.5. This length 0.5, and the downward length is also given, which is 0.5 again. 0.5. Let's draw it, then you will understand. Click on line, click on this end point, make a horizontal line of 0.5, enter, then a downward line of 0.5, again enter, press escape. Now I will erase this line because we not need this line. Select this line and erase it. Now I will make this inclined line. So the dimension of this inclined line is given 0.5 mm downward distance and 0.6 mm horizontal distance. Then I will make this inclined line. So click on line, click on this point, make a horizontal line of 0.6, enter, then a downward line of 0.15, enter, press escape, click again on line, then click on this point and click on this point, escape. Now select these two lines and erase it. Now from this inclined line, the downward distance is also given, which is 0.15 mm, and this horizontal distance is 0.6 mm. Let's draw it. So click on line, then make a downward line of 0.15 mm, enter, a horizontal line of 0.6 mm, enter. Then the dimension of this line is also given, which is 1 mm. So make a downward line of 1 mm, enter, press escape. Now I will make this fillet. So the fillet radius is given, which is 1 mm, and the downward distance up to this point is also given, which is 1 mm, given over here, which is 1 mm. To make this fillet, first I will make a horizontal line of 1 mm towards this side and a downward line of 1 mm. The downward dimension is also given over here. Let's make this fillet. So click on line, click on this point, make a horizontal line of 1 mm, enter, then a downward line of 1 mm, enter again. Now enter F from the keyboard for fillet, click on radius, enter fillet radius 1 mm. Now click on this line and click on this line. So this fillet is exactly made according to this dimension. Now before making this fillet, first I will draw this circle, because before making this circle, this fillet is not possible. So first I will locate the center point of this circle. For center point, the dimension is given from this line, the downward distance is given, which is 10 mm, and for this radius, this distance is 2 mm, and for this radius, this distance from the center line 2 mm towards this point. I will erase the ink, then you will understand the dimension clearly. For this radius from the center line, this distance is 2 mm, and for this radius from the center line, this distance is 2 mm. Let's draw this circle, then you will understand. First look at the center point of this circle. So click on line, then from the midpoint make a downward line of 10 mm, enter, then towards the right side make a horizontal line of 2 mm, enter, press escape. So this is the center point of this circle, and the radius is 10 mm. Let's draw it. So click on circle arrow, center radius, make a circle of radius 10 mm, enter. Now I will make this fillet, fillet of radius 1 mm. Enter F from the keyboard for fillet. Now click on radius, enter 1 mm. Now click on this fillet and click on this circle. So the fillet is made. Now I will make this circle, because this fillet is not possible before making this circle. So let's draw first this circle. First I will make this base line. So the dimension is given 36.5 mm distance from the midpoint of the arc towards this point. Let's draw first the base point, base circle. So click on line, click on this midpoint and make a vertical downward line of 36.5, enter. Then make a horizontal line of any distance toward this side and towards this side. Press escape. Now from this point I will make a line upward 2 mm. So this will be the center point of this circle. Let's draw it. So click on line, click on this point and make upward line of 2 mm, enter, and make a horizontal line of any length just to look at the center point of circle. Then click on circle arrow, center radius, make a circle of radius 8 mm, enter. I will erase this line, these both line, erase, click again on line. Now I will make a line which intersect the whole circle. Escape. Now I will make this fillet. So the radius of the fillet is given, which is 12 mm. Let's draw it. So click on press F from the keyboard for fillet, enter. Then click on radius, enter 12 mm fillet radius. Click on this circle and click on this circle. Now I will make this portion B. So the detail of portion B is given over here. So first I will make this arc. So the radius of the arc is given, which is 24.5. Let's draw it. So click on arc arrow, again click on start in radius, click on this point and click on this point, enter 24.5 mm radius. So this arc is made downward because we first enter this point. So erase it. Now we will enter this point first. So click on arc arrow, start in radius, click on this point, this is the first start point, and now click on this point, this is the end point. Now enter 24.5. So this arc is made. Now if we see over here, so this fillet is made, but this line is trim over here. So let's make this fillet of radius 1 mm. Enter F from keyboard for fillet, enter, click on radius, enter 1 mm fillet radius, select this circle and select this line, escape. Now trim this portion. So TR, double enter and trim this line, and this line, and this line, and all these lines. Now escape and select this portion, this line, and erase it. Also erase this line. Now I will mirror this portion. So first select all this portion. Then press MI from the keyboard for mirror, enter. Then click on this midpoint of the arc and click on this midpoint of the line. Click on now. So this object, this figure is exactly made according to this dimension, but we will enter this fillet radius, which is 0.3 mm. Let's make this fillet radius. F, enter from the keyboard, click on radius, enter 0.3 mm fillet radius, click on this line, click on this, press space to repeat the command, click on this line and click on this line. Now this figure is exactly made according to this dimension.